Here is this free Lifting Supervisor CPCS Blue Card Renewal mock test. It contains 15 questions similar to what you'd get on the official NOCN Pearson VUE touchscreen test. I will first read the question and then give you a few seconds before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. Who is responsible for ensuring that RCIs are not overridden during lifting operations? A. Regulatory inspector. B. Maintenance personnel. C. Lift supervisor. D. Lifting team. Correct answer, C. Lift supervisor. 2. What does the rated capacity indicator, RCI, on LE to cranes primarily provide warnings for? A. Only when the load is being lifted. B. When the operator is taking a break. C. When the crane approaches and exceeds maximum rated capacity. D. Only during specific weather conditions. Correct answer, C. When the crane approaches and exceeds maximum rated capacity. 3. Why is it important to provide ample opportunity for each member of the lifting team to ask questions? A. To prolong the briefing unnecessarily. B. To improve the mood of the team members. C. To make the briefing more interactive. D. Team members may have noticed something incorrect or not taken into account. Correct answer, D. Team members may have noticed something incorrect or not taken into account. 4. What does SWL stand for in lifting operations? A. Standard weight limit. B. Safe working load. C. Service weight limit. D. Suitable workload limit. Correct answer, B. Safe working load. 5. What types of lifting accessories, gear, are used? A. Chain slings, wire rope slings, and fiber-type webbing slings. B. Only wire rope slings. C. Only chain slings. D. Only specialist equipment like lifting beams. Correct answer, A. Chain slings, wire rope slings, and fiber-type webbing slings. 6. What can insufficient factors of safety, deviation from the lifting plan, or errors in calculations lead to? A. Enhanced stability. B. Instability and overturns of LER cranes. C. Improved ground support. D. Increased efficiency in lifting operations. Correct answer, B. Instability and overturns of LER cranes. 7. What typically happens to the safe working load, SWL, of a pair of slings if the included angle exceeds 90 degrees? A. The SWL increases. B. The SWL remains the same. C. The SWL becomes variable. D. The SWL can be greatly reduced. Correct answer, D. The SWL can be greatly reduced. 8. What is identified as one of the reasons for the instability and overturns of LER cranes? A. Increased factors of safety. B. Consistent adherence to the lifting plan. C. Changes in operating conditions. D. Ignoring ground support. Correct answer, C. Changes in operating conditions. 9. How does the role of a signaller differ from that of a load handler or slinger? A. Signallers handle the load, while slingers only signal. B. Load handlers are responsible for signalling. C. Signallers have no specific role. D. Signaller is an additional role to that of a load handler or slinger. Correct answer, D. Signaller is an additional role to that of a load handler or slinger. 10. What does the plan need to ensure regarding specialist lifting accessories? A. The slingers have sufficient knowledge of the relevant attaching procedures. B. The brand of the lifting accessories. C. Only the weight of the load. D. The names of the lift team members. Correct answer, A. The slingers have sufficient knowledge of the relevant attaching procedures. 11. What is emphasized as a measure to minimize many instability issues with LE cranes? A. Ignoring ground support. B. Proper sighting and support. C. Speeding up the lifting operation. D. Delegating stability checks to the lift team. Correct answer, B. Proper sighting and support. 12. Why does the lift supervisor need to check for trapping points around the machine in limited spaces? A. To create obstacles for the lifting operation. B. To minimize efficiency. C. To ensure there are no exclusion zones. D. To reduce the risk of trapping incidents. Correct answer, D. To reduce the risk of trapping incidents. 13. What happens to the load in each leg of an accessory if the included leg angle is increased beyond 90 degrees? A. The load remains the same. B. The load increases. C. The load decreases. D. The load becomes variable. Correct answer, B. The load increases. 14. Why does the open end of a chain sling hook need to be facing outward when being attached to a load? A. Aesthetic reasons. B. Regulatory requirement. C. Improve load grip. D. Reduce the chance of a hook slipping out of the load's lifting eye. Correct answer, D. Reduce the chance of a hook slipping out of the load's lifting eye. 15. What is the purpose of ensuring that the master link can articulate freely when on the hook? A. To prevent damage to the hook of the LE to crane. B. To meet regulatory requirements only. C. To maximize the load in each leg of the sling. D. To expedite the lifting operation. Correct answer, A. To prevent damage to the hook of the LE crane. So, this was the last question of this free mock test. If you made it this far, I guess you're about to take the dreaded CPCS renewal test and there are no other study materials except the long and boring fact sheet. Some people have failed this multiple times. Like my brother, who is not the brightest tool in the shed. But I still love him. Enough, in fact, to create a whole bunch of multiple choice questions from his category fact sheet. And guess what? He finally passed. That gave me the idea of creating similar mock test questions and answers for each and every category. Very tedious work, but it's worth it if it helps you study and pass the damn test to extend your blue card for 5 more years. If you wish to be fully prepared, then you have the option of purchasing my ebook, which contains the full bank of questions based on the official NOCN fact sheet. Note that these questions are not exactly the same in the official test, but they will be similar and based on the same information from the fact sheet. So instead of learning the exact questions and answers by heart, apply logic to the answers, and use these multiple choice questions to learn more efficiently for your CPCS Blue Card Renewal touchscreen test.